Bond denied for the man accused of shooting and critically injuring an Oconee County deputy last month. He appeared in court for the first time today.
Gregory Maxwell got out of the hospital today after that shooting. Peyton Furtado was in court at that bond hearing. She joins us live now. And Peyton, did anyone discuss motives today? Any idea why this happened?
Yeah, Nigel, that's a great question, and the answers are still unclear. What we do know, according to the public defender here, is Maxwell used to be in the military, is a military veteran, went to school for criminal justice, and even worked in law enforcement for some time before this. Tuesday, 5 of the deputies Gregory Maxwell allegedly shot at watched in silence as the 50-year-old was wheeled into court, a scar visible on his head. He faced 11 charges, including 6 counts of attempted murder.
5 counts of attempted murder. Your bond is being set at $1 million on each one. On the attempted murder where the deputy was struck, I'm denying bond. That bond will have to be set by the circuit court judge.
Maxwell is accused of shooting 27-year-old Corporal Lucas Watts. This was during a November 16th traffic stop. The deputy and new father was in critical condition for some time and lost an eye.
Totally breathing on his own, and he's starting the rehabilitation process, which is going to be a long and going to be a very hard process, for him.
As court continued Tuesday,
Your Honor, he's not fully understanding because I had a conversation with him. He seems surprised by a lot of this.
It was unclear how Maxwell's head wound would play a role in his recovery and case.
He was having difficulty, I think, I'm going to say comprehending. I don't know that his mental faculties were as bad as his physical.
His lawyer says Maxwell will be held in a detention center able to address his physical disabilities. But as he was wheeled away, the question of motive remained unanswered. We spoke with Sheriff Crenshaw after the fact today. He says apparently Maxwell had been on the run from law enforcement in Michigan before this. There was a warrant out for his arrest there for a failure to appear in court. Up until now, he hadn't had any run-ins with law enforcement here in South Carolina. He was living in an RV in Oconee County. Live in Oconee County, I'm Peyton Furtado for WYFF News 4.